Viewers, just days after taking charge as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Vijay is all set to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the national capital amid the rising political and interstate tensions over the Kaveri water dispute. Vijay has left for Delhi already, and my colleague Dharini is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Dharini, ahead of this visit, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Vijay also wrote to Prime Minister Modi asking him to reject Karnataka's proposal for the Mekedatu Dam. Is that going to feature in the meeting? What are the details?
Well, just yesterday, Chief Minister Vijay wrote a letter to the Prime Minister over the Mekedatu project. He told that, if the Karnataka government goes on to construct the Mekedatu reservoir across the Kaveri River, that will have a direct impact on the livelihoods of farmers here in Tamil Nadu, and it will also be a violation of the 2018 Supreme Court order and also the orders of the Kaveri Water Tribunal, is what Vijay had told in his letter to the Prime Minister. So he requested the Prime Minister to issue an instruction to the officials from the Ministry of Jal Shakti and also from the Kaveri Water Management Board to not let Karnataka build any new reservoir across the Kaveri River. That was the request that came in from Chief Minister Vijay yesterday in his letter to the Prime Minister. So today around 4:30 p.m. is when we are expecting Mr. Vijay to meet with the Prime Minister at the national capital, and of course this is a very high profile meeting for many reasons, because this is the first time Vijay is visiting Delhi in an official capacity after assuming charge as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and this is going to be his first official meet with the Prime Minister. And during this meet, he is expected to raise a lot of issues pertaining to the state rights of Tamil Nadu. For example, for the past couple of years, Tamil Nadu has not received any school education funds under the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan scheme because the state is refusing to implement the national education policy. But without these school education funds, the school education department is in fact struggling to pay the salaries of its staff and also to improve the infrastructure of the government schools. So during his meeting with the PM today, Mr. Vijay will request the Prime Minister to release these pending school education funds to the state, and of course he is also expected to request the Prime Minister regarding approvals for metro rail projects in Coimbatore and Madurai. Remember, during the previous DMK regime, the central government had rejected the metro rail project proposals for Madurai and Coimbatore. So during today's meeting, Vijay will once again press the need for these metro rail connectivities. So these are all
this is the first meeting of Chief Minister Vijay with Prime Minister Modi after he took over as the Chief Minister of the state. Thank you for joining us with all those details.